W. Campbell & Son, based in the Scottish Borders, is a family-run business specialising in custom-made gates and fencing for the domestic and commercial sectors. We pride ourselves in providing a personalised service where customer satisfaction is paramount. We offer a range of products and services, including construction and installation of timber gates and doors, installation of gate automation systems, all types of fence erection, landscaping projects and timber decking. We offer a professional and reliable service at competitive pricing. We're happy to provide you with a free on-site survey and a no-obligation quotation. Thanks for watching. For more information, please call us on 01890 882 513.